What is going on, guys? Thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for tuning in. Today I have a tutorial on how to use launch control on the B9 Audi S4. This car unfortunately does not come equipped with the previous generation's DSG, the dual clutch transmission. That would be found in the B8.5 Audi S4 and S5. I actually personally had a Sepang Blue B8.5 Audi S5 that had that transmission, and it was incredible. My favorite thing about that car. I'll throw a picture of the car up on the screen here. I love that car, incredible transmission. I love this car even more, even though it unfortunately comes equipped with the traditional 8-speed automatic. It is still a fantastic transmission, do not get me wrong. It shifts incredibly fast. Give you a little example here. Still an incredible transmission, without question. And fortunately enough, we do not lose out on launch control. This car still has the equivalent of it. I do not believe Audi or VW refers to it as launch control, but it works. You can launch on a red light, and simple enough, it works. I am currently on my way to Mexico right now, and as soon as I arrive, we will get started. All right, and just like that, we have arrived in Mexico. Still a little chilly, surprisingly, 43 degrees. Very similar to up in Wisconsin, which, very odd. Oh, wow. Also, 4 bars of 5G, I don't even get that at home. I think I gotta move to Mexico. But let's get started. All right, and these are the steps to use launch control. First up, you wanna make sure that your car is in dynamic mode. And then next, you are going to want to put yourself into drive. Make sure that it says S here on the dash rather than D. Then you wanna turn off the auto start stop feature. Lastly, hold the traction off button for about 3 seconds. Once you get ESC off on your dash, you are good to go. From here, mash the brake, mash the throttle. All right, I had to cut that one short. It seemed like I might have pissed off a couple of the local workers over there. So we're in a new spot over here in Mexico. Give another shot, another go at launching. Looks like a couple other people have tried that here too. All right, so same as before, where you're in dynamic, transmission is in S, auto start stop is off, and traction control ECS is off. Put all the way down on the brake, all the way down on the gas. And for good measure, let's get one more. All right, we have made it to our third and final spot here in Mexico. Let's give her one more go. Ooh, got a little flame with that one. please make sure to drop a like. Let me know down in the comments what you want to see of this car in the future, and I would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Have a good day.